If you're considering InEight for your construction management needs, there are 12 important things you need to know before making a purchase. InEight is a popular choice in the industry, but how does it really stack up against the competition? Let's dive in. First, InEight offers a comprehensive platform that covers project management, cost control, and project tracking. Its range of tools is impressive, but it's worth noting that some competitors like Procore or Buildertrend may offer a more user-friendly interface with easier navigation. Next thing to know, InEight integrates well with other software, including accounting systems, which is crucial for streamlining operations. However, some users find that the integration setup can be a bit complex, especially compared to simpler solutions like CoConstruct, which is known for its smoother integration processes. The third thing is that InEight is built for large-scale projects and enterprises. It's a heavy-duty tool designed to handle the most complex construction management needs. If you're working on smaller projects or need a platform with a more approachable learning curve, something like Buildertrend or CoConstruct might be a better fit. The fourth thing you should know is that InEight has robust reporting and analytics features. You can access real-time insights and generate detailed reports. However, competitors like Procore may offer more customizable reporting options that could suit your specific needs better, depending on your workflow. Fifth, InEight provides strong budgeting and cost management capabilities, allowing you to track expenses and manage budgets with precision. But if you're specifically looking for a more intuitive and less complex budgeting tool, consider looking into Procore or CoConstruct, which have earned praise for their simplicity. Next, let's talk about mobile functionality. InEight has a mobile app that allows you to manage projects on the go. But if mobile access and ease of use are a top priority for your team, you might find that Procore or Buildertrend offer more refined mobile experiences. Seventh, InEight has a steep learning curve. Its powerful features come with a bit of a challenge in terms of training and setup. Compared to user-friendly options like Buildertrend, which requires less onboarding time, InEight might not be the best option if you're looking to get up and running quickly. The eighth thing to keep in mind is that InEight offers detailed project tracking, allowing you to stay on top of every aspect of your project. But if you're working on smaller projects, the level of detail offered by InEight could be overkill. A simpler solution like CoConstruct might be a better fit. Ninth, InEight's support system is solid, with a dedicated support team available via phone, chat, and email. But some users have noted that response times can be slower compared to competitors like Procore, which is known for its more responsive support system. 10th, InEight's pricing is on the higher end of the spectrum. While it provides great value for large projects, if you're a small business or just starting out, Procore or Buildertrend might offer more budget-friendly options. Next, InEight provides advanced safety management features. If safety is a major concern for your projects, InEight offers solid tools to manage risk and compliance. However, if safety management is your main focus, you might want to compare it with solutions like Procore, which has a more extensive safety module. The 12th thing to consider is that InEight has excellent project scheduling tools, offering detailed timelines and Gantt charts to keep projects on track. But for users who prefer a more visual, easy-to-read scheduling system, alternatives like Buildertrend might be more appealing. Overall, InEight is a great option if you need a comprehensive, enterprise-level construction management solution. But if you want a platform that's easier to use, more affordable, or better suited for small to medium projects, we recommend exploring alternatives. Check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.